TXV has went bad and you need to replace it. Which one do you get? Welcome to today's Tech Tip. I'm Jim Fultz with Copeland, and I want to share with you today that we have 5 Connect Kits. These 5 Connect Kits do R-410A, R-32, and R-454B in all 5 of them. You got a 22 system? No worries, we have a separate Connect Kit for that. Let's talk about these 5 right now. These 5 have all 3 refrigerants on all 5, so you're not worrying about matching the refrigerant. They all have those refrigerants as long as you're one of those 3. You're simply worrying about matching the tonnage, and that's why we have 5 different kits. The tonnage for 410A will be different than the 32. Because we have different pressures and temperatures, we simply have different tonnages. So one Connect Kit that may be a 3-ton for one refrigerant may only be a 2 for the other. Match your refrigerants first, which we have, and then match the tonnages. One of these 5 universal kits will then work because all of these 5 universal kits have the external tube to connect the external equalizer. They have arrow equip as well as chat lift connectors if you're not brazing directly to the TXV. And the most important piece, they have the strap. You want to make sure that that sensing bulb is tight against the suction line coming out of the evaporator coil. Never use zip ties. Always use the strap with the 2 bolts to secure it before insulating it and ensuring that you have an accurate reading on the bulb to open that TXV and allow it to function properly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.